have a very unusual watch I'm highlighting today. This is an antique verge escapement fusee wind automaton watch. It has a nice pierced and engraved cock. The case is solid sterling silver, although there are not any hallmarks. I'm sure they've been rubbed away a long time ago. This is an old watch. And what's nice about this, let me close this, is that it's an automaton watch. So it's a polychrome enamel dial, all done by hand, really in wonderful condition. There is one tiny little chip right above the key winding hole, just to the right of the number 3. Otherwise, it's in excellent condition. And you can see the windmill turns. And then there's also an automaton disc, and it shows people walking. And there's different scenes. It's a strong runner, but like most verge escapement fusee pocket watches, it's not an exceptionally accurate timekeeper. So basically, if it runs, and this one does, it's a show-off watch. It's a silver pear case. The hinges close nice and tight. There isn't any warping. Considering its age, it's in very nice condition. And it's just a cool watch. Take care.